Earth's most iconic predators reign supreme. They live on harsh landscapes. The apex predators are one of the biggest and strongest mammals across every continent according to nature's hostileness. These hunters adapt and become the masters of these keen hunting grounds. With time, they evolved, become faster, stronger, meaner and deadlier. They improved their survival skills not only to hunt or thrive, but to rule. And nature makes them the relentless killing machine. The African savanna, home to one of the largest big cats, the lion. Lions live in a pride to improve their survival chances and to avoid failure attempts in hunting. For many mouths to feed, they often target big games. But only 1 in 10 attempts end in a kill. But now they have chances. For the great wild beast migration is going on in the Masai Mara. Through the mass stampede, the wild beasts start crossing the Mara River. Over millions of animals bustle and rush to complete their final mission. The Mara River is now become a valley of death, where dangers lurk everywhere. Even the residents of the water become impatient. But on the other side, death is waiting for them in the form of a Lion King. Like the Disney Lion King, if he enters in the stampede, surely he will die like Mufasa. But he has a combination of brain with brawn. The lion isolates a weaker victim, but this underdog fights back. His guts save his life. But the male lion won't go down without making a kill. Nearly 600 pounds of bone and muscles, and with a combination of 2-inch canines and 1.5-inch claws, the lion is stronger than the 640 pounds wild beast. The drive to find vast grazing fields, the massive wild beast herd continues the race of survival, and the underdog's survival instinct could not match with the king's fighting instinct. Today, the leader of the pride provides food for his whole family, and he becomes the perfect predator. African wild dogs form a pack of around 20 members like other wild canines. This ensures their kill rate. 1 in 5 attempts end in success, so they often target large animals. An alpha pair leads the whole pack in every situation, and the entire clan follow them. Today, a poor warthog loses its battle of life, and the whole pack jabs the victim to finish its game. Nature has no mercy to the weak, no pity for the weary. But the cycle of life never breaks its motion. If the bird dies, the pack will only survive then. But if he survives, he will see another day. Here, if one dies, one will thrive. Wild dogs are vicious. They eat prey while it's still alive. The prey can feel the pain of death very well. The dead warthog can feel them for a few days. Cheetah, the speed king of the African plains, males from strong brotherhood that's called a coalition. This pair of cheetah brothers rule these grasslands. They choose a baby Thompson gazelle by isolating it from its mother. This little prey is no match with these cheetahs. But big cats have a strange nature. They like to play with their food before killing it. Nature has really dark sides you have ever seen before. Their teamwork is the key to their survival. And with speed, they use brute force to take down big games. Female cheetahs are solitary. They live on their own. But when the time comes for the annual wild beast migration, these two cheetah brothers kill an adolescent wild beast by a vicious fight. And the fight provides food by ending their short bursts of energy supply. The older brother waits for his younger sibling. They must eat quickly because there are so many hungry mouths lurk here.